So friends, in this video, I am going to tell you how you can use Volkai AI and how you can sign in and log in. You can see here I have opened the Volkai app here. So let me tell you how to use it. So let us start the video. After starting the video, you will see the Volkai AI app. You can download it from Google Play Store. It is available there. Now you are given the options of sign in and log in. So you have to enter your email here and enter the password below. Now you have to click on login. Now it will be successfully logged in. Then log in. After that. Now let me tell you about it. Here. Options to ask questions have been given below. Whatever question you want to ask, you can ask. Let me ask a question. How to create an artificial intelligence video. Now you have to click on this. Now it will start answering. You can ask questions in any language here. You can also see your profile there. By clicking on this, you can also log out. You can also delete your account here. So friends, this is how you can use Volkai. If you liked the video, then like, share, and definitely subscribe. See you in the next video.